Knock, knock. Who's there? Mickey. Mickey who? Mickey Mouse, Mickey Mantle, Mickey Rourke, Mickey Finn, Mickey Dolenz, Mickey Knox. Guilty? You bet your ass. But I don't blame Mickey or Mallory. I blame Ajax, Jack Frost, Frosted Flakes, Achy Breaky, Lyndon Johnson, Johnny Cash, Johnny Carson, Johnny Quest. I blame the Pope and Pop-Tarts and the Peel Pocket Fisherman. I blame Jif and Jazz and O.J. Simpson, JFK, RFK, FDR, FBI, CIA, STP, AFL, CIO, ABC, NBC, JVC, VCR. I blame John Wilkes Booth and Mary Tyler Moore. I blame all people who use 3 names. Big Bird, guilty. Barney, guilty. I blame Jesus Christ and John Bon Jovi. I stick my right index finger in Wayne Newton's left eyeball. Not their parents, not drugs, not society at large. You want to know who I really blame? The Pittsburgh Pirates. Because in 1947, MLB scouted a hot young pitching prospect named Fidel Castro. Just think about that, huh? If Fidel had been drafted, no Bay of Pigs, no Kennedy assassination, no cover-up, no Vietnam, no Nixon, no Earth Shoes, no Brady Bunch, no crack, no. We'd all be sitting around eating hot dogs and apple pie and smoking big, fat Cuban cigars.